Hello friends, welcome to my channel Iballdesigningdeveloper. So today in this video we will be just building an amazing program using C++. This will be our second project in which we will be seeing that how we can create an amazing generate password program using C++ from start. We will be seeing it from beginning to advanced. You can say how we can create this program, what are the things included in this program, and how to create this program from start to end with random passwords. We will be including A from Z, all the alphabets, and we will be also including some numbers in this generate password program. So remember to see this video from start if you want to create this program from start. And if you want to see more videos like that, so remember to hit a like and also subscribe on this channel after subscribing, and notification bell so you can get all my notifications up about all the C++ videos which I am uploading on this channel. You can also access my playlist. I've created two playlists, one of project and one of tutorial series. So go and check that out if you want to learn C++ from beginning to advanced. So what we are waiting for? Let's move to computer screen and let's get started with our second project of C++ from start. So now here we are on the computer screen where we'll be seeing that how we can just create this amazing C++ program of generate password. So now we will be starting with this program and seeing that how we can just create that. So before creating this program, obviously, first of all, we have to create a C++ file on our desktop, or you can create the file in any location you want. So I will be now pressing new file from here and I will be giving the file name as, you can say, generate password. You can give the name as, here I will be giving the name as generate password.cpp, because you all know that in previous videos I have telling you many times, like if you want to save any file in the C++ format, so you have to give any of the name. Then after writing any of the name, you have to write .cpp to save the file as C++ format. Remember, don't to write C++. If you write like this ++, so your file will be not saved as C++ format. Remember to write .cpp only if you want to save any file in the format of C++. If you want to save file any in the format of C, so you have to write just .c, and then from that your file can be saved in the C format. So we have to save it in C++. So I will be writing generate password.cpp, and now you have to select the location where you have to create your file. I will be selecting as desktop and I will be creating my file there. You can select local disk E, local disk D where you have to save, but I prefer you, if you are a beginner, save on desktop. So from that it will be easy for you to drag and drop the file and to work with the file easily. So I will be creating the file normally. Press create file and you can just see now our file has been saved in C++ format on our desktop. Now the file has been saved here. Now we have to start some starting codes of C++ which we have to write to create this amazing generate password program. So first of all, I will be starting with include IOStream. So I will be writing here include IOStream like this. After writing include IOStream, we have to now add here include cstdlib, which means that we are adding the library here. Then again you have to include ctime this time. After including this, include another tag which will be now as a string. You can see we have included many things here. We have included IOStream, stdlib, ctime, and a string. Now we have to write another starting code which is using namespace std we will be now adding, and then here I will be writing as a string password value. So write here a string and now write here get password, and now the password value which I will be writing as init length, because I want to have the password with different lengths. Then I will be writing a string password, just give one line space only, not too much, and it will be empty totally, nothing will be contained. And then I will be writing string characters equal to, and then paste the characters which I have copied. You can paste many other characters as well. I have just pasted this: a quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog is a text which contain all the alphabets from A to Z. In small I have written and in capital, so I can get different random passwords here in capital as well and in small as well. Not compulsory to only get in small. I've also had some numbers here. If you want to add more numbers, you can add, it's your choice here. Then close this so we can get other things working. Then we have to write here character size. Character size S will be capital here, and the character size which I will be writing here will be as character size, but this time it will be in a small. Then make this open close bracket here. Close this, write here srand, and in now this random time will be as 0. Then here I will be just closing this tag. Write here init random index. So here I will be writing as random index here, and the random index I will be writing here for init I equal to 0. Then just close this and write here I length like this. then you have to write here I++. Now you have to just write here random index. The random index I will be writing as rand, and here you have to just write this % and char size. By mistake I have here. So just move down, and then here you have to write % and char size, which means that character size. After doing this thing, just make no bracket here, open close, just close it like this simply. And now we have to add password value. In password, I will be writing the value as password. P should be capital, and then we have to add a value here with characters. So here I will be adding the value. Then normally we have to write random index, close, then return the password value here like this, close this, and then here I will be writing init main. So I will be writing that, and then you have to now just write here init length, and then you have to write here count, then write here enter the length of the password, and then you have to write like this, give a space here as well, close this, sin length here I will be writing, and now here you have to just write string password equal to, and then you have to write here get password, make the bracket open close, and in this bracket I will be writing the length, so I can get different lengths of my random password which I will be generating here by writing this command, enter the length of the password. When you will be running this command, mean this software or a program, you can say anything. So when you will be running this program, you will be getting the text like enter the length of the password. You can write any of the length, like it can be the length of 8 alphabets, 10 alphabets, 80 alphabets, 100 alphabets. You can give any of the alphabet value you want. And when you will be writing the alphabet value and press enter, so you will be getting the random password generated in the alphabet value which you have written. And I will be showing you after running in the end when we will be generating, when we have generated this program. In the end, I will be showing you how we were getting the length of password. So now just simply I will be doing one thing, like we have now written the get password length here, and now we have to generate the password with the count value. And in count value, I will be writing generated password. So here I will be writing as generated password, and then you have to again write this 2 colons. Then here I will be writing as password, and remember to write 2s in password here, and then close this. And after doing that, return the value as 0. We have now returned the value as 0 and close this. Just doing that all things, you have to save this file and run it. You can run it through run code, or if you want to run it through your own codes by writing the C++ code to run the command. So you can write the C++ code in the terminal or CMD to run the command, but I will be running it directly through the run code button. So press Ctrl Alt or N, which is the shortcut key, but I will be pressing this run code to run this program here. So press run code here, and you can just see our program is running successfully. We are just getting here the text which I have telling you, enter the length of the password. Now we have to enter the length to check we are getting the same length which I was telling you. Press 8. You can just see the password randomly has been generated of 8 alphabets. Now if I want to again run this program, simply I will be doing one thing, like I will be running this again by running this command by pressing this run button, and again it is showing me enter the length of the password. This time I have written, first time I have written it 8. Now I will be writing the length of password as 20. You can just see now the password has been generated of the 20 value. You can just see randomly it is showing me all the alphabets which I have written, not all the alphabets, just in the 20 alphabets it is showing me all the alphabets with number values as well. Like you can just see in the start it is showing me 9, then in the end it is showing me 0, and here it is not showing me any of the number value. Like it is randomly generated. I am not doing it anything separately. All the things are being randomly generated here. So this is the generated password program which we have created in C++. I hope you understand that. Now here if I run it again and show you the enter password value, now this time we will be writing a 3-digit value, and 3-digit value will be 500. If I write this value and if I press enter, you can just see the 500-digit password has been also generated. So this is the program which will give you all the password generated in any of the number value you have written. It can be 500, 5000, 50,000, 50 lakh, 50 million, like any of the value you can write here, it will be generated the password on. So I hope you understand this amazing program of generate password which we have successfully created. And I hope you also enjoy this project from start which we have created. In the introduction I have telling you, I will be showing you all the things step by step. I hope you understand this. If you have enjoyed this program from start, so remember to hit a like to this video. And if you're new on this channel, want to see more videos like that, so remember to subscribe. And after subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so more people can learn and they can enjoy these amazing videos which I am uploading on this channel on C++. And remember, stay tuned on this channel because many of the other videos will be coming up on C++. And if you want me to upload any other videos or any other language, you can also suggest me in the comments. I will be building projects on that language as well, or building up tutorial as well on that language. So just I will be meeting you next project or in next C++ tutorial video. So for today, goodbye.